What's up, YouTube friends and family? Welcome back. So today I have my in-law here. It's been a hot minute since you guys have seen her on my channel, but the last time we did her nails, I think it was the polygel nails with the sea theme, like under the sea theme. Those did not last her at all. Literally, I think she had them on for like not even a week. They were all cracking off at the tips. So I have to figure out, maybe my structure wasn't strong enough, or I'm not sure. But we got to figure that out. That's a trial and error situation, which y'all know I love troubleshooting, so we got to figure that out. But we need to do more polygel nails, okay? That is a thing we need to do, more polygel. And I have had a lot of people message me about acrylic, and yes, I will be getting to some acrylics, but I have to do it outside now because of my son, so I don't want him breathing in any kind of chemicals like that. So I'm going to do it outside. So I do have like a portable rolling table that I had from the beginning of my nail journey, and I still have it. I'll just pull that out and start doing some stuff outside on my nail table. But in the meantime, we're going to just do these 1, 2, 3 go nails on my in-law. She's been dying for a French set for so long, and I never want to do plain anything. So today I decided, you know, I didn't have a whole lot of time to get her nails done, but I wanted just to give her something simple and quick, and this was perfect because these are pre-made tips, soft gel nail tips. So you don't even have to do anything to them other than top coat them. And that's pretty much all I did. So I'm prepping her nails. I'm using some manicured cuticle bits to get into that cuticle area. And as you can see, the shiny part on her nail is a leftover press-on nail that she had on from before. We're gonna get that off as well. So for my prep, I use a prep and primer duo from Enail, and they have them on sale right now. I love this combination, and I also use Young Nails Protein Bond. I get it from my local supply store down the road, and it's really inexpensive. It's only like $11. After I apply these steps, then I will go in with my base coat and cure that, and then I'll go in with my 1, 2, 3 go pink press-on gel. That's what I'm going to use today to cure the nails on with, and I'm not using bubblegum gel or anything like that today. I'm just using the 1, 2, 3 go pink press-on gel, which is also a nail strengthener. final look of her nails. Let me know your thoughts and comments down below. Everything I used and all my discount codes will be listed in the description box down below, so check it out. And shout out to all my beautiful, amazing supporters and subscribers. And until next time, be kind to everyone, including yourselves, and I'll see you in the next one.